In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set custom cookie durations in affiliate platforms without any fluff or complicated steps. Whether you're optimizing your affiliate campaigns or fine-tuning your cookie settings, you'll want to stick around for the whole video to get the best tips for managing these settings effectively. Before we dive in, I've tested all the most popular affiliate software options, and I've got an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using today, available only to viewers of this channel. Check the link in the description below if you want to follow along step by step. Now let's talk about cookie durations. In affiliate marketing, the cookie duration determines how long a tracking cookie stays active after a user clicks your affiliate link. This is crucial because it directly impacts your ability to earn commissions based on the user's activity after clicking. Most affiliate platforms offer cookie duration settings, but they can vary in terms of flexibility. Some allow you to choose specific timeframes like 30 days, 60 days, or even 90 days, while others might have a fixed duration or limit the customization options. To set custom cookie durations, first, log into your affiliate platform. You'll need to navigate to your account settings or affiliate tracking settings. Once you're there, look for the section dedicated to cookie duration or tracking settings. This is typically found under Advanced Settings or Campaign Setup. From here, you'll likely see an option to adjust the default cookie duration. Depending on the platform, this might be a drop-down menu, a text field, or a slider. Set your preferred duration. For most affiliate marketers, a 30-day cookie duration strikes the right balance between keeping your links active long enough for users to make a purchase without being overly extended. If the software allows you to customize durations down to the hour or minute, you can adjust it based on your specific needs. For example, if you're running a time-sensitive promotion or want to track conversions only within a short window, you could choose a custom duration that suits that campaign. After you make your changes, be sure to save your settings. Some platforms might require a refresh or even a restart of the campaign for the new cookie duration to take effect. Always double-check that your changes have been applied correctly by testing your affiliate link or reviewing the tracking details. I know it can be frustrating when platforms don't make these options obvious, but the good news is most top-tier affiliate software provides the flexibility you need to manage this effectively. If you're looking for a software that makes this process quick and easy, again, don't forget to check the exclusive free trial in the description below. So here's the key takeaway. Custom cookie durations allow you to tailor your affiliate tracking to match your specific campaign needs. Whether you want a longer window for tracking or a more precise time frame, adjusting your cookie duration is a simple yet powerful way to boost your affiliate earnings. To quickly recap, navigate to your account or tracking settings, find the cookie duration section, choose your preferred duration, and save the changes. Make sure to test your settings to ensure they work properly. Lastly, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial using the link in the description below to try out the software we use today. Thanks for watching, and happy affiliate marketing.